Assalamu alaikum. My name is 𝗍𝗶𝗶 and I am C++ and web trainer at Theta Solutions. In this course, we will learn all fundamentals of programming world. It means if you want to jump into programming world, this will be your first step. For example, अगर हमें इंग्लिश सीखनी है तो सबसे पहले हमें अल्फ़ाबेट सीखने पड़ेंगे. तो अगर हम ये कहें कि जो C++ और वूप है ये अल्फ़ाबेट्स हैं किसी भी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज के, तो दिस इज़ विल बी द वैलिड पॉइंट. So this course has two parts. One is C++ and the second one is OOP. In C++ we will learn variable, data types, operators, flow control statements, arrays, functions and file handling. And in OOP part we will learn 4 pillars of OOP that is used in every programming language. And those 4 pillars are inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction and polymorphism. And at the end of this course, each student will develop a working project using his learning expertise. So grab this amazing opportunity and join us. Thank you.